Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a file or multiple files to your Google Drive. I'm also going to talk about any problems and challenges you may face and how to solve each one. So let's get started. So first, you want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Then open up Google Chrome and sign into your account by going over to this corner here. Click sign into Chrome. So enter your email address, click next, your password, and next. Once you're signed in, you want to head over to this corner that says Google Apps. Click on that and scroll down to select Google Drive. Now, before you upload your file, it's best to create a new folder to keep everything organized. So I'm going to do that by heading over to New here and clicking on that. Select New Folder. I'm going to name this New Vids and Files. Click Create. Now, once that file is created, you want to open it up by double clicking. Now, once you've done that, you want to head over to New, click on it, and select which you would like to upload, whether it's a file or a folder. I'm going to select a file. So, scroll through your files and decide which you like to select. I'm going to select this, and you can do that by double tapping on it. If you want to select multiple files, hold down Shift and use the down arrow or up arrow to select multiple files. So on the right corner of the screen here, you'll see the status of your item. Here it's done uploading. If you're experiencing a slow upload time, this is because of an unstable connection. Reconnect to a more stable connection, then try again. Or if you see an error saying upload failed, this is because your storage space is filled up. Before you upload the file, you need to clear out your storage space. We actually have a video showing you how to do that, so I'll link to it in the corner. If you'd like to share a file, head over to this corner that says More Actions. Click on that and select Share. Over here, enter the email address of whoever it is you'd like to send it to. Then change the general access from restricted to anyone with link. If it's unrestricted, they won't be able to view it. Click Done. Now, if you'd like to share a whole folder, go over here, click on that, and select Share. Enter their email address and change this to anyone with the link. Click Done. And that's it. Next, we're going to show you how to upload photos in their original quality to Google Drive. For that, you need to head over to Google Photos. So open a new tab, cancel that, go to this corner that says Google Apps, scroll down, and select Photos. Now, before you upload the photos, you want to head over to Settings and change this to original quality. This is automatically selected, and that is what it should be on if you didn't change it. Back to Photos and click Upload. Select Import Photos. Now you want to go through your photos and select the ones you wish to upload. To select multiple photos, hold down Shift and use the arrows on your keyboard to select multiple files, then click Open. On the left corner you'll see the status. It's saying preparing to backup. This will take about a minute. So it's done now, and that's it. That's how you upload photos in their original quality to Google Drive. So next I'm going to show you how to upload a file to Google Drive on your Android. So first you want to make sure that your internet connection is turned on. Then head on over to Google Drive. If you don't have the app already, you need to download it from Google Play Store. Open up Google Drive, then tap on the plus icon on the right corner of the screen. Select which you would like to upload, a folder or a file. I'm selecting a file. Scroll through your files to find what you wish to upload, then tap on it. Wait for the file to upload, and that's it, it's done. If your upload fails, this could be due to low device storage or an unstable internet connection. Check your device storage and make sure you're connected to a very stable connection. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to your Google Drive. To do that, tap on the plus icon on the right corner of the screen. Tap on Upload. Scroll through your photos and select which you'd like to upload. To select multiple images, long tap on one, then tap the others to select. Tap on Select to upload. Wait for the photos to upload, and that's it, we're done. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or any tips you'd like to share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.